So welcome back. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to, in the last tutorial we used the bench hook to cut this side. So on this side here I'm going to show you how to use a spare block and a G-clamp to do that. So put it around. If you're right-handed, your block goes on your right-hand side. If you're left-handed, the block goes on your left-hand side. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to put my block on my right-hand side. Line it up on my line. Clamp it in place. And make sure that it's set there. Place your saw on your material. Place your thumb against the side. And nice and small mounts, gentle strokes, back and forth, just using the guide block to support it. Again, sawing down to the line. So as I go, I'm checking to make sure I get to this bottom line. I'm going to stop and check that I'm staying inside the line down the side, down that line. Guide block back on. Clamp on. Now in your case you wouldn't have to unclamp it, but I'm just doing that for demonstration purposes. Getting close. I'm there, and down the side. So when you're down, that's it. So next part's going to be to chisel this out. So next part's going to be to remove this by chiseling or by sawing, and I'm going to show you both of those demonstrations in my next tutorial. Till then, cheers.